How to check if your Twitter account is public or private. This is very simple to do, and please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So the most easiest method is to just look to the right of your name. If you see a lock next to your profile, this indicates that you have a private Twitter account. If I click on the lock on the PC, it says this account has its posts protected. Only their followers can read them. Now, how do you check this in the settings? Well, on the PC, click on More underneath Profile, and then go to Settings and Privacy. On the mobile, just try to find the area that says Settings and Privacy. Now click on Privacy and Safety, and Audience, Media and Tagging. If you have this ticked, then you have a private account. If you untick it, your account will be public and people can see your tweets. Because I've just unticked it, my account is now public and the lock has disappeared.